Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Stacy Scott, and I'm here with Graham Wickham, President and CEO of Wickham Financial and Insurance Services, and we are here with our weekly wrap-up. Graham, it looks like our first week of January was pretty positive in the market. So what can you tell us about that?
Yeah, it really was, Stacy. I mean, we saw the S&P really attempt to break out of that 2 to 5 week trading range that we've been in, up about 2.28% on Friday. So a big day on Friday. We saw the S&P up about 1.5%. The Russell 2000, or the small cap index, that was up about 1.8, so just under 2%. The NASDAQ rose as well, up 1%, but lagged the others. And the Dow was up as well. So we saw 10 of the 11 S&P sectors finish positive. So we saw positive performance in communications and basic materials and financials. Those generally were the leaders that week. Technology lagged, though, comparatively. We saw the mega cap names like Apple and Tesla and Microsoft continue to struggle. And the winter of last year really pulled back. Crude oil pulled back about 8.5%. So what was going on? Well, we saw non-farm payrolls for December really showed some slowing wage growth. We saw supply chain normalization. We saw U.S. manufacturing shrink. U.S. factory orders also fell, and service activity really pulled back, and durable goods also declined. Now, you might be saying, Graham, that sounds like a whole bunch of negatives, and you're right, that is negative. But remember what we said last year and the first part of this year in our calls is that the negatives will start to become positive with the anticipation. With those negative numbers, inflation is going to be coming down. Maybe the Fed doesn't have to be as aggressive for as long with their tightening policy. And I think the market used that as an opportunity really to rally. Also, we're still in that very positive period of the market where you get some strong investing and some strong inflows.
All right. Well, thank you so much for that. And let's hope that we keep some positive momentum going. Also, just want to take a moment to remind all of our viewers that we have a couple of things coming up on the calendar. Toward the end of this month, we have our first Lunch and Learn webinar of the year coming up on January 25th, and that's Wednesday, almost 2 weeks from now. And we also have our first Retirement Planning Today class scheduled also at the end of the month. So please, if you or someone you know is at or near retirement age, this is really a very educational A to Z, everything you need to know about retirement. And so if you could pass that along to them or for yourself, we'll have all the details on our website, on social media, and we would love to see you in class. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we'll look forward to seeing you again next week on the weekly wrap-up. Thanks.
Thank you.